go. All right, class, so for our next problem, we got it on the board here. We have carbon dioxide added with water. With our reactants, they will create the product of CO6, H12O6, which is known as glucose, and with some residual oxygen. Now, if you remember from our previous problem, the first step is always to what? Somebody?
Find your elements.
Identify your elements. Very good. So what are our elements in this problem?
Cobalt.
Not
Carbon.
cobalt. Carbon. Very good.
A.
We have oxygen.
Oxygen,
And we have hydrogen.
hydrogen,
Then oxygen.
Well, always remember, whatever elements we have on the left side of our reaction will continue to exist on the right side of our product. So we have carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. Next step is to what? We're going to identify the
The element.
number. Very good. The number of each element on each side of our reaction. So, Daquan, how many carbons do we have on this side? One. Very good. Renique, how many oxygens do we have? And make sure you look carefully here.
3.
3. Very good. 3. Yes. And DeAndre, how many hydrogens do we have on just on this side of our question? 2. Very good. Now let's go on to our products here. All right, so Omar, how many carbons do we have on the right side here? 6. Very good. Carlos Bell, how many oxygens? And look very carefully.
8.
8. Very good. And Jonas, how many hydrogens?
12.
12. So, first question we want to ask once we identify all our elements is our equation balanced?
No.
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 Correct. Because the numbers on the left-hand side do not match the numbers on the right-hand side. So we're going to go ahead and balance this equation out.
We're going to put a 3 on that side.
You want to put a 3 on this side? If I put a 3 on this side, let's say we did that. If I were to go ahead and put a 3 on this side, then my carbons would change from 1 to how many carbons?
4.
Not 6, but it would only change to 3. Because 3 times 1 carbon would be
3.
3 carbons.
That's why you have to put 6 on there.
6. That's the answer I was looking for here. You want to go ahead and put 6. So now I'm going to have 6 carbons. And how many oxygens am I going to have here?
You have to put 4 up there.
You would have 8.
Well, I would have 6 times 2
12
plus 1,
13.
13. So I would have 13 oxygens right now. And that's all the change we have. So now our carbons have been balanced. We still need to balance out our oxygens and our hydrogens. You see we have 2 here and we have 12 here. So how will we balance those out?
6. Put 6.
We can put 6 here. 6 times 2 would give us 12 hydrogens. And then 6 times 1 would give us 6 oxygens here. So then the 6 oxygens here plus the 12 oxygens here, 6 plus 12 would give us
18.
18. Very good. Now it looks like we have one more step here because we see our carbons have now been balanced. Our hydrogens are now balanced. Now all we need to do is balance off our oxygens. as of now, we had 6 here, and we had 2 here, giving us 8. The goal is to get to 18. Now, do we want to mess with this? No, right? Because any change here with our coefficient is going to affect all of the other elements involved in this compound. So we want to do something to this number.
6.
You want to multiply it by 6.
Yeah.
So now we have 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 6, 18. Very good. So now we have a fully balanced equation here. Let's go ahead and move on to problem number 3.